Multitasking tayo dito. Hi to our 56 viewers. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, mga mare. Diba? Babalik ang inyong kumare. Ganito lang maghanap buhay. Ay, marap buhay maglapa. Talagang for the laba tayo ngayon, guys. For the laba ang person. Ayan. Lagyan na natin ng sabon. Oh my. Okay. Let's put sabon. It's the laundry detergent powder. Oh. You need 2 cups of like that. Okay. It's over. Let's add more. Just why not? Coconut. Oh, that's the second batch. Babalawan naman natin ngayon yung first batch, diba? Ayan lang, guys. Sira kasi yung stand ko, guys. Kaya, mahirap mag-ano ngayon. Ganito lang. Ito ang first batch. Show you. That's the first batch. Sino ba? Oh. Ano, check nyo ba yung paganyan na style? Na angulo. Iniinitan kasi yung camera ko, guys, eh. Ayan. Sino ba paganyan? Unit, guys. So, ayan lang. Babanlaw na tayo. Hi to our 70 viewers. Give me likes, guys. I will wash. Yeah, it's laundry day. Laundry day. I have a lot of laundry today. Can you see? You want to help me, guys? Help me. I don't have money to send this to the laundry shop, so I do it on myself now. Okay, just like that. Good morning to everyone. Give me likes, please. Give me likes. Tayo ay maglalaba dito. Guys. Meron tayong first batch, second batch, third batch, and fourth batch. So, ang ating first batch. Nabahan, ang dami ka ay.